What is going on, everyone? It's Mr. Uzi, and if you've been paying attention for the past week or so, even the slightest bit, you'll probably understand the reason why people do not like Snapchat at the moment. But I'm here to tell you today that there's a very good reason why you probably don't like the new Snapchat update, and that's because it wasn't for you. So let's back up a little bit. Snapchat, one of the largest free social media platforms. Send quick snippets of pictures or videos to your friends. They can disappear. You can also add a story, something that you've done during the day, stays up for 24 hours. They now have location services. You can do things based on events, based on location, see what other people are snapping, see what celebrities are snapping. They have the custom lenses and the filters. You can do the little puppy dog face or whatever. That has been Snapchat's bread and butter since its existence. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that Snapchat is a free app. And when it's free, you have to wonder, how is it a free app and how are they a business that's staying afloat? And that was mainly due to things like their Discover page, where they allow news publications to post articles and videos and snippets and things on the platform in order to get money. Now, the problem with this is that there wasn't a whole lot of attention being paid to that in the past. Now, on the flip side, let's go to another social media platform, Instagram per se. Instagram, which is owned by Facebook at the moment, is another free social media platform that lets you post pictures, send short pictures and videos to your friends. You can have filters on them. You can see what people are doing based on location. There's even a handy search feature if you wanted to search for a specific person, search for a specific hashtag. So you can kind of see where the differentiation is kind of hard to make between these two social media platforms. Only difference is, count the number of times you've seen a sponsored ad on Instagram versus a sponsored ad on Snapchat. So when it comes to this new update, one thing is apparent. They've tried to condense a lot of the features, but at the same time, they've increased the visibility of things like the Discover page. Before, the Discover page had two locations, below all of the stories, and if you wanted to swipe one more time and get to the other right screen, then you got your whole page of the Discover pages with your publications and your articles and whatnot plastered there. Now, if you swipe to the right once, you get a full page of the Discover publications, and now they're really large tiles. And they've separated the stories and such from that. They've put them all in their own little category along with the snaps and the stories, and they've also integrated Bitmojis into it. So they've kind of divided the entire app into how we make money and our user base. And that's kind of a problem. On the flip side, if you want to look back a little bit, the day that the app actually updated, which I believe was sometime between February 6th and February 7th, Snapchat's stock skyrocketed by about 30% after the update launched. And once again, Snapchat is a business that has to make money. But with an update like this, when you put the people who are paying you money up on the forefront, given their own dedicated page for essentially advertisements, of course they're going to be happy because they get to have more people see their stuff. Snapchat's happy because they get more money. But the user's not necessarily happy because there's a complete redesign that no one asked for. People don't really seem to like, and it was almost out of nowhere. And people had already opposed it before it even launched in the United States. It had launched in other countries like Canada long before, and even they didn't like it, and Snapchat still refused to pull the update because, once again, this wasn't for us being the user. I guess Snapchat's realizing it's hard to make money these days when you have a free app. I just wish they had gone about it in a different way. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful. Maybe this explains a little bit why the update is what it is and why many people are upset about it, even though Snapchat seems to be making more money from it. Leave a like if you liked it. Leave a dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment down below if you're going to be leaving Snapchat. Some people are actually, deciding to just leave the platform entirely because of the update and how much they don't like it. Personally, the update itself doesn't really bother me that much. What bothers me is the intention and the thinking behind the update. So leave your comments down below. I want to know what you guys think about the update, if you're going to still use it, if you like it, if you dislike it, and I will see you guys in the next video.